went crazy because a package arrived. You remember that new DSLR camera rig that I was talking about the other day? Well, that bad boy has arrived, and first impressions, it's way bigger and way heavier than I anticipated. Let's put it together and see what we got. Wow. Unpackaging one box, the main box down, of course, and we just have a bunch of other boxes in here, one of which is really heavy. This has to be the counterweight, so I'm going to tear into that first. These manufacturer instructions were less than stellar. Folks, overall, I'm not going to lie to you, that was a pain in the butt to set up, but we got it done. Check out the shoulder rig. It's pretty cool. Looking forward to using it, getting to know it a little bit. Overall, this thing feels sturdy. It's a little bit heavier than I anticipated it being, but yeah, sturdy. I think so. We're producing now. Due time that we take this thing for a test drive. Let's see what kind of footage it shoots. Now this footage is, let's just say it's far from high art. Half of it's not even in focus and at least partially overexposed. But I really just wanted to see how this camera felt on my shoulder, how steady I could hold it. And while you can definitely still tell that this is a handheld mechanism, it feels pretty smooth. I'm impressed with it, to be honest with you, and it's a lot of fun to carry around.
Overall, through 24 hours, I'm really impressed with this rig. It feels sturdy. My camera feels protected. I have no problems carrying it around. Or, of course, using it as it's intended as a shoulder rig. Now, as I mentioned, the setup of this rig was a little bit of a pain. A lot of trial and error. And to be honest with you, it's still not completely set up. But that's because I still have to tweak those bar positions, handle positions, and really make it my own rig. I hope you guys will remind me, maybe here in a month or two after I've really put some miles on this thing, I'll update the review and let you know what I really think.